Heyo! Doing a review for the HYPIGO desk blue. Picked blue because I'm a misfit, and it worked out. And pardon me if I said HYPIGO wrong. I'm not quite sure how to say that, but let's get to it. One of the first things I saw in the questions was how big of a tower you can fit in the tower rack, and I have a Cooler Master tower, and it is freaking enormous! As you can see, it fits in there quite snugly, but it still fits. So let's see what else. You've got these little hooks here that can be installed on the left or the right side, saving you having to buy such a thing in the future. You can hook headphones, wires, whatever you want to do. You've got two rather large shelves over here. Lots of room for lots of things. And let's see. Oh, another one that was mentioned was leg room. I'm a 6'3" man, and there is just a ton of leg room down there. It's wonderful. You won't have any need for space. And let me see what else. There's a ton of workspace. I believe it's what, 55 inches? Tons and tons of workspace, as you can see. And these little platforms here, they actually are not stationary. They can move. They can move to wherever you wish on the desk. You can even take them off and throw them in the garbage, whatever you wish. And the last thing that I want to mention is that building the desk, it was a pain in the butt. It really was. But it's okay because once it's done, and you don't have to do it again. So that's something that can easily be gotten over. And one more thing. When you are building the desk, as you can see, I have no cross section here. It's because I built it wrong. When you are building these shelves, make sure you pay heavy attention. I paid meticulous attention and still messed up. But pay heavy attention to where the holes are so that you can actually get everything completed. As you can see, I did not. I've had the desk for 3 weeks now, and there's no, I'm wobbling it. There's no wobble to it, even without the cross section. So I figure it's okay. But yes, pay heavy attention while you are building. Thank you for listening, watching, and having fun with me. Enjoy your day.